Hi guys, I am Shanmugh, Assistant Professor from DVC ITS Triply Department. In this video, I will explain how to find symmetrical fault current using Thevenin theorem. This is the given problem. The generator is feeding motor through transmission line and terminal voltage of motor is given to us 12.8 kV and this will be the Thevenin voltage, open circuit voltage at fault location. And to find Thevenin impedance, we have to short these two sources and we need to find equivalent impedance as seen from fault terminals. Here generator ratings are taken as base values, hence MVA base is 30 MVA, kV base is 13.2 kV. This is how we calculate base current. I base equals to MVA base into 1000 by root 3 times kV base. MVA base is 30, so 30 into 1000 by root 3 into kV base is 13.2. Calculating, we got 1312.16 amperes. And to calculate the terminal voltage of motor, that is the per unit value, we need to divide actual value with base value. Actual value is 12.8 kV by base value is 13.2 kV. Calculating, we got 0.9697 pu. To find fault current using Thevenin theorem, we need to find Thevenin voltage and we need to find Thevenin impedance. Thevenin voltage is nothing but the terminal voltage of motor that is already given to us. To calculate Thevenin impedance, we need to short these two sources, EG double dash and EM double dash, and we need to find equivalent impedance as seen from fault terminals. Hence, J0.1 and J0.2 are in series, and this series combination is in parallel with this J0.2. Calculating Thevenin impedance, we got J0.12 and this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. This is VTH in series with ZTH. To find the fault current, we need to short these two terminals F and O. So fault current is nothing but Thevenin voltage divided by Thevenin impedance. So calculating, we got 8.081 at an angle minus 90 degrees per unit. In the previous section, we have calculated the fault current. In this section, we need to find the fault current through generator and fault current through motor. For that, first we need to find change in current through generator and motor during fault. For that, we need to short generator source and motor source and need to connect Thevenin voltage with reversed polarity at across the terminals F and O. So the current I1 will be Thevenin voltage by J0.2 plus J0.1 and this current I2 will be Thevenin voltage divided by J0.2. Calculating, we got the currents I1 and I2. Let us calculate the load current. Per unit value of load VA is actual value by base value. Actual value is 25 megawatt. Base value is 30 MVA. So 25 by 30 gives us 0.8333 per unit. Per unit value of load current is this load VA by terminal voltage of motor 0.8333 by 0.9697 which gives us 0.8593 pu. The power factor is given as 0.8 leading, hence IL is 0.8594 at an angle plus cos inverse 0.8 which gives us 0.8594 at an angle 36.9 per unit. In this section, let us calculate the subtransient fault current through generator and subtransient fault current through motor. Subtransient fault current through generator is I1 plus IL. Because I1 and IL are in the same direction, hence we can add these two currents. Adding these two currents gives us 2.802 at an angle minus 75.8 degrees per unit. Subtransient fault current of motor is Im double dash equals to I2 minus IL. Because I2 and IL are in opposite direction, so we have to subtract IL from I2. So calculating gives us 5.4083 at an angle minus 97.3 degree per unit. Till now, our calculated values are in per unit. To get actual values, we need to multiply with base value. So Ig double dash equals to 2.802 at an angle minus 75.8 degree pu. This is the subtangent fault current through generator in per unit. And to get the actual value, we need to multiply this value with the base current, that is 1312.16 ampere. Calculating, we got 3.67667 at an angle minus 75.8 degree kiloamperes, and this is the actual value of subtangent fault current through generator. Similarly, we can calculate the actual value of subtangent fault current through motor and actual value of fault current, subtangent fault current, by multiplying the base current with these two, Im double dash and If double dash. Calculating, we got 7.0992 at an angle minus 97.3 degree kiloampere and 10.60356 at an angle minus 90 degree kiloampere. Thanks for watching.